it is Sonia. Welcome back to my channel where I talk so much about balloons, so much. So in today's video, it's not a tutorial, but we are going to be talking a bit more about balloons. I'm also going to talk a little bit about the direction of this channel and what I hope that 2022 is going to look like. I feel like so many of my viewers are a bit like me in that you love to make things. So I love making things out of balloons, but I also love making things out of things like fabric, as you can see, wool, and if I can, recycling things and giving beloved fabric new life. On the topic of making things, I was also actually really keen to share with you something that I just finished making the other day. Look at that little sweet face. Oh, I'm in love. I was telling my youngest child that he had a new baby brother. He wasn't so impressed, but you know. That was the second bear that I've made, and it was definitely a bear love. Here's another little cutie, just so I'd share with you. He was the first one. I've actually been wanting to make bears since about 2016, so I am really glad that I finally made one and two, really, and I'm in the middle of the third, and I just love it so much. Enough on those for a moment though. This video is about balloons, right? Oh, of many. Oh, balloons that was given to me. Oh, it's camera shaking. By one of my best friends, Stacy. She was gifted this big bucket of balloons. Given that Stacy is primarily into clowning and less about the balloon modeling side, she was not able to make use of these balloons, so she very kindly gave them all to me, and what can I say, incredibly generous, and I just don't know what I'm going to do with them. Now, this is a little bit of an unboxing. I'm going to share with you what's in this box, and I'm going to think about some ideas of a tutorial maybe I can make with them, but I'd love to hear your suggestions or challenges down below, so make sure that you comment those. So we have Tropical Assortment Quick Links, more linking balloons, and more mocha brown, perfect for princesses or turtle shells. Oh, here we go, 160s in gold. More quick links, and I should say these are bags of 50, so there is a lot. And these are unopened bags, so yeah, wow. There is 12-inch quick links in the black, more in the black. Chocolate brown, was that chocolate brown? That was chocolate brown. Ooh, beautiful bright yellow. More purple quick links. Oh, something different. Oh, 350s in purple violet. More chocolate brown quick links. This one, goldenrod. I really love goldenrod. Beautiful colour. Quartz purple, you guessed it, quick links. I lied. They're 350s. Quartz purple. Now that's the see-through kind. More 350s, this time purple violet. 5-inch. 12-inch quick link in the black. More 12-inch quick link in yellow. Oh. Okay, some spring lilac this time in the 5-inch. 6-inch quick link size. Nice. 12-inch mocha quick links. I think this box is telling me I need to make a quick link wall. More purple violet 350s. Quartz purple this time. Whoever donated her these balloons, I wonder what they were going to make. Maybe I should ask them for ideas. More purple violet 350s. More 12-inch mocha quick link. And more 350s in the purple violet. Chocolate brown. Oh, now we're talking. 12-inch blush. Love it. More chocolate brown. Okay, some white quick links. Nice. That bag's been opened. So that's cool. I understand why. It is white quick links. Very versatile. More 350s, quartz purple. We've got a couple more citrine. Why did I say citrine? Goldenrod. A couple more goldenrod. A clear bag of the Qualitex quick links. Very good for ghosts. Okay, Pearl Ivory Quicklings. That's a colour I don't really use. More of the goldenrod. Some pink Quicklings. Are you getting ideas of things that I could be making with these balloons? Because make sure you are commenting them below. Chocolate. Oh, Caribbean Blue. Love this colour. More chocolate brown. This can make an awesome costume. More chocolate brown. Purple Violet 350s. More Purple Violet 350s. Chocolate brown Quicklings. Oh, here we go. Some silver 160s. The lucky last thing in here is 50 pieces of the chocolate brown Quicklings. I'm not certain what I'm going to make. I've got some ideas that are going on in my head. Tell me, what jumps out to you? There is a lot of chocolate brown in there. So there wasn't really any surprises in there. I do love that we've got these blush ones here and the mocha brown. Always nice. I've had the request for a Cinderella tutorial. That's something I'm hoping to do in the coming year. Now, I mentioned about believing that a lot of my viewers might be into crafting things, and that's what I wanted to talk a little bit about with the direction of this channel. So if you know me, you know I love balloons, and I have another business. So not only do I do balloons, I have my sewing one called Honey and Bee. So that kind of brings me into the direction of this channel. So I will absolutely be making a lot of balloon content because that is what I know and what I love. But I'm going to introduce in some crafting videos as well. I just love to create, right? And I want to share that with, and I'd love to share that kind of thing with you as well. And it might help me to reach a new audience because I do have goals with this channel, and one of the things I love to do in life is share the things that I love. So, you know, I hope that you're going to like this new content that I'm planning on making. There will still be balloon tutorials. There will still be balloon content. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to making some other kinds of stuff and bringing in the two aspects of my business that I love. Do you want to see this stuff? Oh, I can't even. Oh, see, this is what's going on down here. Oh, so many. Oh. So by doing some different content videos, I hope to, of course, not only reach a new audience, but also inspire you, my existing audience, and join me in those creative endeavors that are outside of balloons. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I know it's a little bit different to normal, but I'm really excited about what lies ahead here in 2022. If you haven't, you know what I want you to do. Like this video, but also leave that comment below to let me know what ideas you have that I could use these balloons for. Love to hear from you. So until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, Mummy and a Bubby chicken. All kisses for you. Golden kisses. Oh, they're so cute. Bye.